intended. So, 4 starts a mini Cornish pasties and 4 mains, blue jam sandwiches and for putting banana and chocolate chip muffins and for drinks lemonade. But before you start, you have to wash your hands. Okay, so 1. Heat oven to 190
degrees.
Mummy, can you please do that?
Yeah, that's 170 fan oven done.
170 on fan bake. Grease a 12-hole to stand a muffin.
Standard muffin.
The standard muffin tin or use paper muffin cups. 2. In a bowl, add mashed bananas, sugar, melted butter, egg and milk and stir to combine. 3. Sift flour, baking powder and baking soda into banana mixture and stir to combine the stirring chocolate. Number 4. Spoon mixture into the prepared pan and bake for 20 to 25 minutes.
Okay, shall we get going with that then, yes?
Yeah. Bye-bye. Now they're going in the oven for 20 minutes. Let's see what they look like after. Mini Cornish pasties. So ingredients: 1 sheet ready rolled short crust pasty. 1 tin of cubed vegetables. Should include potato, sweet carrots, peach,
What's wrong, baby? Peas, oh, etc. That ETC means etc.
peas, etc. 1 egg beaten. 25
250 grams of beef mince. Okay, so how to make? Okay.
How to make. 1. Make sure you have washed and dried your hands well. 2. Get an adult to put heat on the oven to gas mark 6. 200
Celsius, fan
Celsius.
180. Okay.
Nanny, can you please do that?
I have done. It is
Okay.
It's all ready to go.
Plenty of black
Lay the mince onto a baking tray.
and sprinkle with little salt and plenty of black pepper. Make sure the mince are spread evenly and then place in the preheated oven for about 20 minutes. Then take out and bake up with a spoon and put back into the oven for about 10 minus 15 minutes or until brown and slightly crispy.
Okay, so I'm going to do that bit. All right. And then once it's cooled, then this is when you're going to start doing your bit. Okay, so do you want to read from the top? Okay, and then we'll get going.
Okay.
Read from the top. Read from the top.
4. Once cooled, place the mince into a bowl and add the tinned vegetables and a bit more black pepper and mix. What's the
What? Sorry, what's the?
Cautiously.
Thoroughly mix.
Thoroughly.
Okay.
Thoroughly.
No.
5. Next, unroll the
Pastry. That's that there.
Pastry. And using circle cutter as big as the palm of an adult hand. What? Cut out as many circles as you can and place on lightly floured board. Taking one circle at a time. Eventually brush some of the beaten egg onto half and harden edge. Then add a heaped TSP. What does TSP mean? TSP of the mince.
Oh, spread probably.
Mince and vegetables mixture into the slide and fold the circle and half to make a semicircle. Then use a fork to put the veggies together to close it up. Gently use fork.
Let me see, sorry. Where does it say the word, sweetheart? Securely. Okay.
Gently use a fork to then prick some holes onto the top to let the steam out. Whistle while cooking. Sometimes if our hands get too hot, then the pasty becomes too sticky and hard to manage. If this happens, then rub some flour into your hands to help work with it easier. 7. Continue to do this fork the rest of the circles and then brush all the mini pasties with lots of egg. Wash before putting them into the oven for 20 minus 25.
20, that means 20 to 25 minutes.
20 to 25 minutes. Or until golden and dark in colour. 8. Enjoy.
Okay, Frankie, well done. That was great. So I'm just cooking the mince now. I'll get it out, let it cool, and then we'll start putting them all together. Okay?
Yay! Pasties and now they're going in the oven.
Wow. That wasn't very royal, was it? That wasn't fit for the Queen. Good grief. Okay.
Maybe I didn't have so much lemonade today.
Maybe not. Right, consensibly now. What did we do? We spiked an R on them for royal, didn't we? So how long are they going in the oven for?
20.
Good boy, yeah, 20 minutes, okay? And then we'll see what they look like when they come out. Okay.
Yeah. So now we're doing the main course, which is a jam sandwich. Lily's here to help me too. And Maddie's got the other things what we've made over there. She's just bringing them. So, first, take some bread out. And then you get some butter. And then, quite tricky to open up. There, done it.
Frankie.
Yeah.
Give me, stop. That's a crust. Nanna, the Queen doesn't like crusts. Okay.
Oh, okay.
There you go, these. We'll sandwich them together. Okay?
Okay.
Good boy.
Then we spread it with a little bit of butter.
Did you wash your hands?
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Good.
Yes. Kind of.
And the other one? Do you have to get the other slice of bread, sweetheart?
And then we do this. Then we do the other one.
And what are you doing with the knife?
I'm spreading
Good boy.
butter. Bread.
Spread, that's right, Lily. Spread.
Yeah. Bread.
Frankie is spreading the butter, yeah.
And then wipe some of the butter off. And then we put the lids back on.
Very good. Very good. Thank you.
And then we do some yummy jam. Yep, has to be a lot. Has to be some of the strawberry.
A bit more.
Okay.
Well done. Perfect.
Mummy, I can't actually get that piece of strawberry jam down because it is strawberry.
Okay, do you want to put the lid on?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good job. Oh, okay. And are you going to cut it in triangles or squares?
I'll cut in squares.
All right, awesome.
Oh.
That's it. So, yeah.
Didn't really know that Lily's allowed to get so close to the knife.
Lily's fine, don't worry. Frankie.
Yeah.
Boy.
Done that one. Now put it down.
And pop it on the plate for Nanna. For the Queen.
Yeah. The Queen Nanna. Good job, Lily. You just said Queen. You get one of my special invisible patches.
Okay, very nice.
There you
Can you
go.
put them all on the plate? Next
Yummy.
up, you just lift your hand, so I'll just do it. Okay.
And now we're going to show you the rest of everything we made.
Okay, so that's our jam sandwich. Very good, fit for a queen. And then let's just get the other bits.
That's cakes.
We
And
have
then the Cornish pasties. Oh, so yummy.
these banana muffins. Wow, she's
Banana chocolate chip muffins.
banana chocolate chip muffins. Okay, and then to start,
Lily, want to share?
Frankie
Lily,
has
want to
made.
share one with Frankie?
Frankie has made mini Cornish pasties.
Oh, they look so yummy. Can I please just have one right now?
You can wait until the Queen gets here and then we can do that, okay? We're going to present it really nicely.
Okay.
Alright?
Bye.
Okay, Frankie, sign off.
Bye. Okay.
The Queen has arrived. Here she is.
I'm delighted to be here for today's royal picnic.
Here's your menu.
Oh, thank you so much. Starter, mini Cornish pasties. Mains, jam sandwiches. Dessert, banana and chocolate muffins with custard. Drinks, champagne.
No, that's not what it says, is it? That's a lemonade. But I'm sure we can find something else a little later. Okay,
you
let's
so
go
much.
and get
Beautiful.
Queenie's first course. Yes, Frankie?
Yeah.
Okay.
Queen.
The Queen needs her crown, doesn't she?
Here's your crown.
put this on now. Yes. Right. I'll have to take off my hat then. Little girl, you didn't curtsy to me. You didn't bow.
Don't bang your head.
Very good.
Good boy.
Look! This is our rabbit!
Oh, Lily. Oh, yes. Very fitting. That's lovely.
And your final course, I'm going to have some marmalade and custard with some chocolate chip cookies.
Thank you so much. And who cooked this?
Nanna.
You did. You cooked this as well. That's marvellous. Thank you so much. I shall enjoy this. And
Okay.
if you go and get the sword in a minute, I will knight you.
Okay.
Very good. And can you just bow to Nana, the Queen, please? Thank you. That's lovely.
Thank you.
Okay, lovely. Lovely jubbly.
You may approach me. You have to kneel in front of me. I knight you, Sir Frank of Whiteley. Arise, Sir Frank.
That means get up.
Congratulations, Sir Frank. Let me pin your 10. Let me pin your Medal of Honour on your T-shirt there. Oh, it says England. That's good because I am the Queen of England.